How to add an email button in Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive right into adding an email button in Adobe Acrobat. This feature can make your videos interactive and user-friendly, so grab your PDF and let's get this started. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on Alt tool, which is in the top left corner over here. Tap on it and that will open up your few options. From the options, simply tap on Prepare From, tap on it. This is a starting point for creating interactive elements. Click on it and Adobe Acrobat will prompt you to select your PDF. However, I'll be unable to show you the rest process as I'm using a free version of the Adobe Acrobat. But if you are using a premium version, you will see prompt to select your PDF. So I'll be explaining all the later process for you. Once you select the PDF, click on Install. Now, for the toolbar that appears on the right hand side of the screen, you will see various options for adding different types of field. Here you want to add a button. Click on button icon. It usually looks like a rectangle rounded edges. The other button where you want it on the document. You can resize it and move it around as needed. Once you have positioned it, right double click the button to open its properties. In the properties window, you will want to label your button, something like email us, workspace. Click on the action tab, select the mouse up from the drop-down menu and then choose submit a form. Next, you have to enter your URL for the link box. You will need to type your mail to link. This will something look like mail to your email @example.com subject equals to subject %20 here and body equals to body %20 and here. Then click on OK to save the settings and close the properties window. You are almost done. Don't forget to save your PDF and that's it. You have an email button in your PDF. Test out to ensure it opens your emails client when clicked. So that was the whole idea. And that's all for today's video too. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.